Toys there from last time.
Hello.
Hello. Oh yeah.
Hi.
Stuff the toothbrush in that little hole.
Hello.
Larry, you think you're ready for the quiz Friday?
Redder than your hair, Teach.
My hair might be messy, but at least it doesn't look like a lettuce that learned how to scream.
Jealous. Am I getting room service or what?
Buddy, you're here to get better, not to order a burger.
Then why they give me this fancy robe?
Let me just tighten this
Watch
cuff.
the drumstick, lady.
You're impossible.
Impossible. I prefer high.
Larry, what sound does a police car make? That was perfect. Good job, buddy. You're my little siren.
Larry knows something. Jordan Heights cookies, top of the pantry.
Larry!
Eats them at midnight.
Yo, you snitching.
Chocolate chip every night.
I can't breathe. All right, that's enough.
Love you, Cookie Monster.
Hey Larry, what sound does a car make? That's right. Can you do it again? Beep beep. Ha, good boy. Oh, you're showing off now. Thanks, buddy.
He's about to start. Hey, who left this napkin on the table? Oh, it was you? Thought it was your report card. Same amount of effort. Yo! And you, pizza boy, that slice so cold it just applied for a snow day. He's roasting you, bro. Don't worry, I'll warm.
Inside. Turn it warm, you man. I have an important bird.
It's just
A little cool. It's a lot cold. My tail's freezing. I'm not fine. I have a popsicle with wings.
Pay the bill. Pay the
I
warm
just
water
got
bill.
spa temperature. Spa. You hear me?
I'll turn it up.
Sir, we have footage of you dancing on a police car.
That's called performance art.
You scratched the paint.
I improved the look. You're welcome.
Great. Now I need paper towel.
Sir, why did you call 911 just to say ratio plus no maid service?
Because you hung up on my Yelp review.
You think this is a game?
If it is, you're definitely losing.
I can't breathe.